Hi, I'm Emmanuel with Butler by Lord Wallington, Home Service Redefined. Welcome to our channel where you'll find tips on modern day living from a modern day butler. Hi guys, welcome to this week's training. This week we're going to start our series on the bed. That's right, our training series is going to cover everything on the bed, from the sheets, making the bed, putting your pillows in your pillowcases, and also the dreaded putting your duvet in your duvet cover. Alright, so we're going to go over folding the corners in this week's video. You pull the top sheet to the top of the bed and leave just enough at the bottom to fold under the mattress. We pull the side sheet up with our hand like this. That way this side of the sheet is straight, and then we tuck this under, get nice and secure. Is take our hand and press this side of the sheet up against the mattress at the edge, and then let it drape over. Put our other hand in there to hold it, and then we just create the 45-degree angle like this. You can see the straight side in there. Fold this under like that. Tuck your sheet all the way through. So here we have a perfect 45-degree angle fold to the sheet. It's nice and secure. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Pull it nice and tight. Now you have it. That's how you do your angles on the bed. Thanks for visiting our channel. If you'd like to learn more about Butler by Lord Wallington, visit us online at lordwallington.com.